Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Carrie and my family and I recently moved to California, but we're here for about a week. We're here to celebrate my daughter's first birthday with our family. So because of that, I wanted to take advantage of the fact that I don't live near any Japanese food markets, and I'm used to going to the ones where we live in Hawaii. So I went to Don Quijote today and thought that I would share with everyone what I purchased, because I'm gonna take this all back in my suitcase with me. So by no means is this in any order, but I just wanted to share. So the first thing is some Royal Kona coffee. This is more for omiyage for our friends up there. I thought it was cute because we can like separate it. You can give to 3 different people, or we could give this as a set. I got some senbei for my daughters and she made some friends. So I thought this was a nice one to share. It's individually wrapped and it's sweet and salty, and it just has all the good flavors. Good crunchy snack. Kewpie mayo, we like to put this on our salmon, our furikake salmon that Reed makes in the broiler. This is just a good mayonnaise that we like. We like these udon noodles. This is the one also that my mother uses. She likes them because they are low in salt, and that's also the reason why I like them too. I find like a lot of the dry udon noodles that we buy, like the Japanese brands, they're high in salt, and when you boil them, the noodles itself taste very salty. But these are not like that. So that's why we get the Hakubaku brand of noodles, and I like these specifically. Reed enjoys his wasabi. I don't really like spicy as much. I don't ever really use wasabi, but this is for Reed. He likes this. I've never tried this before, but I've seen people use this like on social media and stuff, but I think this will be good for when I make like seaweed soup or different kind of soups. This would be a good soup base. So this is anchovy coin broth, and they're literally just individually packaged soup coins that you just put in the broth. So I'm excited to try this. This is Nori, and we've been making a lot of musubi and spam musubi up there, so thought I'd get some more nori. Panko for when I put this in tuna tofu patties, and I also make chicken katsu with this, and pretty much anything. You could pretty much panko anything and it'll be delicious. So panko. Some dried shrimp. I like to put this in my miso soup. I just usually put like a handful. I recently made something else, some other kind of soup with this. Like, oh, I made like a mandu soup, and I put this as a base for the broth as well, just to give it like that fishy flavor. That was before I had the anchovy coins, so now, but yeah, I like this for miso soup. The dashi that I enjoy is the SNS no MSG soup base. So this is the one my mom uses as well, but we like this one. It has lots of flavor and there's no MSG. I also got a bottle of cooking sake. I like to put this in my my shoyu chicken, and again, I looked for this in the Asian mart that was by our house, or somewhat close to our house, but they didn't have it, and I didn't buy this when we went to LA, so I just bought it here, and I'm gonna put this in my suitcase and carry it over with us. We also got some shiitake mushrooms. These are also good in a soup base. It's just good for extra flavor, for that umami flavor. And it lasts a long time because they're dry. So you just need like 1 or 2. You soak them in water. They like, you know, plump up, and you put them in a broth. So when we do like any kind of shabu shabu, this would be great too. These, I just thought they were cute. This for like little musubis. Like definitely, this is like excessive. You could just get this one and cut this in half. But I just thought this was cute for little triangle musubis. Get pictures. And what else? We got some, my favorite is the wakame chazuke what is this, like the seasoning that you put for chazuke. I love this one. I've always loved this one as a kid. And we make a lot of chazuke, and I think too, since it's gonna get colder where we live, it actually snows where we live, then this would be great. We got a regular chazuke because you can never have, I'm sorry, a regular furikake because you can never have too much furikake. And this is the dashi kombu when we do shabu shabu. This will be perfect because you put this in the water and it gives it a little bit of dashi kombu or kombu flavor. So this is a good one. Reed got these for some of his friends up there. This is just like omiyage gifts. This is Pau Maui vodka. I don't think we've ever had it, but it's local from Hawaii, so it's local from Hawaii, so we wanted to share our aloha spirit with everybody. And the last things is some candy stuff that my daughter chose. Of course, I have no idea what this is. Some kind of gummy candy, and then some high chews. Other than that, this is what we bought. And yeah, we're excited to go back to where we live. I think it's been fun just being here with family and, you know, seeing everybody again. But now we are ready to return. And I'm gonna bring all this stuff with me so I have them in stock for the winter season and I can just make as much Japanese food as I want. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this really short haul video. But let me know what you like or what your favorite Japanese food to buy is. We went to Don Quijote today, but we also like to go to Marukai when we have a chance. And the new Donkey, we like that place too. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.